Stop. Don't scroll yet. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of waiting? Does it feel like life is moving forward while you're standing still? You're doing the work, your intentions are right, but the results haven't shown up yet. And this is the point where most people give up. But this is also where a breakthrough begins. Your breakthrough is closer than you think, just not in the way you expected. Think about this. If nothing was changing, why does the pressure feel heavier? If it was truly over, why would hope still be alive inside you? Because God is still working, quietly, behind the scenes. God is never late. He steps in at the exact moment when you feel like you can't take any more. The delay you're experiencing is not rejection, it's protection. It's preparation. Some doors closed to keep you from the wrong path. Some progress slowed to align you with the right direction. Often, right before a breakthrough, the struggle feels the strongest. The questions get louder. The waiting feels longer. But remember this, the darkest night comes just before the morning. What looks like it's falling apart is actually coming together. What feels like loss is making room for something better. Hold on a little longer. Trust a little deeper. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. If this message speaks to your heart, pause for a moment and quietly say, Amen.